In this video, I'm going to show you the one game-changing thing I've learned as someone who used to constantly live paycheck to paycheck. See, when it comes to managing your money, it is way more about psychology than math. The good news is, if you're a beginner and want to take control of your money without needing a finance degree, you're in the right place. Let me take you back to my first job. I was earning just enough to buy the things I thought I deserved. Daily coffee runs, new shoes every month. I felt rich. Until one day, my card got declined buying toothpaste. Yeah, toothpaste. That was my wake-up call. I'm gonna walk you through the 5 simple steps that help me stop the chaos, start saving, and actually feel in control of my finances. Here are 5 things I wish someone had told me when I started managing money. 1. Track every dollar for 30 days. Start with awareness. Use a Notes app, Google Sheet, or budgeting tool. For 1 month, write down where every single dollar goes. You can't fix what you can't see. 2. Pay yourself first, even if it's just $10. The richest people in the world do this. 3. The 50-30-20 rule. This rule saved me. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt repayment. This approach gives you freedom and structure. 4. Build a $500 emergency fund. Fast, before investing, before paying off all debt, have this buffer. It prevents everything from feeling like a crisis. 5. Automate your money. Automate bill pay, savings transfers, and even investing. Set it once, and let your future self thank you. Remember the toothpaste incident? 6 months after tracking and applying these steps, I had $1,200 saved. I bought toothpaste and treated myself to a budgeted coffee after. The difference? I could afford both and sleep at night. If you want me to make a full video walking through exactly how I set up my first budget, drop $1 in the comments. So here's a quick recap of my top 5 money management hacks. 1. Track every dollar. 2. Pay yourself first. 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 4. Build an emergency fund. 5. Automate everything. Managing your money doesn't have to be overwhelming. It just needs to be intentional. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.